Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add a complete Hollywood film effect in your any video footage. It is actually very much easy by simply adding some brightness and contrast and by changing few other elements. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video footage in timeline. Now at first, we add a cinematic bar in this both up and down of our video footage. To do this, simply click on this little icon which is called event pan crop. And then hover over the mouse on the very top and click and drag it down. And yes, this one seems to me perfect. But before doing this, make sure that aspect ratio X and Y is unlocked. Alright, now I close this one. Now I add some brightness and contrast. To add this, I just simply go to video effects and search for brightness and contrast, and there it is. Now I just click and drag it in our main video footage and increase the value of contrast a little bit. Now it looks really crazy. This is the before one and this is the after adding contrast. And this time I don't change this brightness and contrast center. Now I close this one. Now we do color correction. To do this, in this search box simply type color correction. And here it is, simply drag and drop it in your video footage. And under preset, here you see a bunch of different presets are available. Now let's add green midtones. It looks little bit more bright green. Let's select blue midtones. This knot seems to be perfect. Let's choose red highlight. And yes, it looks freaking amazing. Look at this. Fully professional. This is the previous one and this is the after edited video. Awesome, right? In this way you can easily add Hollywood film effect in your any video footage.